In this video, I will teach you how to convert PSD to JPG file. Now I have a PSD file. Now I am going to this PC, my file, save it, download file. Now click download and you are showing my e-commerce PSD file. I want this e-commerce PSD file into JPG file, convert into JPG. Now I need a converter, or I need a folder create. Now I want to create a folder. Now click mouse right and click new and folder, click. My folder successfully created. I want to give a name folder, like I give my folder name convert, 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 and click anywhere, folder save. And I need to this e-commerce PSD file drag and drop into convert file. Now e-commerce PSD file drag and drop into convert file, paste it here and double click open folder, and my e-commerce PSD found converter file, and click e-commerce, double click open. Your computer must be installed it Adobe Photoshop or Photoshop document, and PSD double click when and open your file. Now I need to click file and click script and click image processing, then select your folder where your converter file or PSD file folder. Now click our converter file and click OK and click run. OK, done. My work successfully completed. Now close this Photoshop and found our still JPG file. Okay, I hope you understand how to convert your file. I hope this video is really helpful to you. Thank you so much.